Islamabad, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) Chairman Imran Khan secured interim bail from the Islamabad High Court (IHC) Tuesday in the attempted murder case. IHC's Justice Amar Farooq granted Khan interim bail till March 9 against surety bonds worth 100,000 rupees. Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz PMLN leader and member of the National Assembly had filed a case of attempted murder against the PTI chairman in October last year at the Secretariat police station in the federal capital. He approached the police after being attacked outside the Election Commission of Pakistan's (ECP) office in Islamabad, where PTI workers and supporters were protesting ECP's verdict, which disqualified their party chief in the Toshikhana case. It is pertinent to mention here, the election organizing authority on October 21 disqualified Imran Khan, finding him guilty of not sharing details of Toshikhana gifts and proceeds from their sale during his tenure as Prime Minister. A five-member bench, headed by Chief Election Commissioner Sikandar Sultan Raja, unanimously ruled against Khan under Article 63p of the Constitution. Earlier, a district and sessions court in Islamabad issued a non-bailable arrest warrant for the PTI chief in the Toshikhana case against him. Additional Sessions Judge Zafar Iqbal, who conducted the hearing of the case, announced the decision as Khan failed to appear before the court despite repeated orders. Earlier today, an anti-terrorism court (ATC) and banking court granted interim bail to the former prime minister after he appeared before them at the judicial complex. The former prime minister secured bail in the prohibited funding and terrorism cases filed against him. ATC Judge Raja Jawad heard the terror case and granted bail till March 9 against submission of surety bonds worth 100,000 rupees. Meanwhile, Judge Rakshanda Shaheen confirmed Khan's bail in the prohibited funding case. Khan was scheduled to appear before three courts today to attend the hearings of multiple cases. These included a prohibited funding case in a banking court, an anti-terrorism case, and the Toshikhana and an attempt to murder cases in the same court. The Islamabad police had registered terror cases against PTI leaders, including Khan, after the party workers took to the streets and vandalized state property following his disqualification in the Toshikhana reference. The cases, filed under 7 ATA along with other sections of the PPC, were filed at different police stations in the federal capital in which hundreds of PTI workers and leaders were named for blocking roads and attacking police personnel at the behest of Khan, Asad Umar, Ali Nawaz Awan and others. Meanwhile, the Federal Investigation Agency (FIA) on October 2022 booked PTI chief for allegedly receiving prohibited funding. The ECP, in a unanimous verdict on August 2022, had announced that the PTI received prohibited funding. The case was earlier referred to as the foreign funding case, but later the Election Commission accepted the PTI's plea to refer to it as the prohibited funding case. Earlier, as Khan arrived at the judicial complex in the federal capital, a large number of PTI workers entered the building by knocking its gate down, Geo News reported. Security arrangements at Sector G11 of the judicial complex were disrupted as the PTI workers removed all barriers. Meanwhile, security was also